It's my favorite song to grind to.
Stay away from those shamrocks, damn it!
Oh, but they're so sexy!
Well, they're not for you.
Look,
Why the
I
hell?
went out for a walk and I got laid.
Why the hell do you think it's St.
Get
Patty's
laid?
Day?
Laid. I got laid. I don't even remember where I got it.
Why the hell do you think it's St. Patty's Day? St. Patty's the only one that can touch those shamrocks.
Sexy shamrocks.
Come on.